I thought zoom lenses weren't very good quality, but now that I look at them more closely and treat them carefully, surprising results are possible. I admit I only used this lens as an 80mm lens because it was much better for my subjects. Only for the 80mm mode there is the macro function available, which is perfect for me. Close focus is a must-have for my way of shooting. But I've said this so many times, it must be getting really annoying by now.